welcome to the Friday. Wow, what a week. Big tech earnings season, trillion-dollar market caps flying around, record investments, new products and services. Here's what you missed and why you subscribe so you don't miss out. Top 3 this week. Apple is going all in on AI. Anthropic warns of job losses. And the US Space Force is getting serious about AI too. First up, Apple is cooking up its biggest AI moment in years, and it's happening on our screens in just a few days. On Tuesday, Apple will host its annual iPhone event. Rumors have been heating up, and sources are saying this year's launch could bring the biggest AI push from a legacy tech giant in years. Apple has been working on its own AI models alongside its Siri assistant. Bloomberg reported that their large language model is codenamed Ajax and can summarize text, answer questions, generate images, and more. But until now, there hasn't been much word on Apple sharing how this works or whether it will be integrated into iOS 18. Well, Mark Gurman is reporting that Apple's upcoming AI features are being grouped under the name Apple Intelligence and that they will be embedded across the OS and devices. So what can we expect to see? Well, according to Gurman, we should expect smarter Siri, better search results, AI-powered summaries of web pages and documents, a ChatGPT-like tool for generating text, plus real-time productivity tools. But here's the catch. All of this has to happen on device. No cloud computing, no third-party partnerships, and no customer data sent to Apple servers. For Apple, this is about doing everything on device in the Apple ecosystem. And they've been planning this for years. As the New York Times reports, Apple is preparing for a post-iPhone world. Their goal is to build a mixed reality headset that makes you feel present in a different world, and their software team is readying the operating systems needed to make that transition happen. Next up, OpenAI is building custom chips in a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar deal with Broadcom. Why? Well, that's the question everybody had. We know that OpenAI is hungry for computing power, and they've rented Google's TPUs before, but this deal was kept under wraps and only leaked thanks to some very precise digging by SemiAnalysis. Now, we know that it's true. What does this mean? Well, let's look at the numbers. According to SemiAnalysis, Broadcom would deliver custom silicon with 64 CPUs per socket, each with 8 high-performance cores running at 3.8 GHz. Throw in a few hundred of those sockets into one system, and you get a beastly machine capable of 150 petaflops of FP8 performance. And if you're scratching your head wondering what the heck is FP8, then you're not alone. It's a new low-precision format optimized for AI training and inference, and it's expected to be a big part of future AI hardware. OpenAI currently uses NVIDIA GPUs to train and run their models, but these custom chips could give them a huge leg up in terms of cost and efficiency. Finally, Switzerland just made AI history by becoming the first country to release a fully open-source national AI model. Researchers from ETH Zurich worked with the Swiss National Supercomputing Center to develop and publish the foundational models under the AGPL v3 license, meaning they're free to use, modify, and distribute. The move is part of a wider trend in Europe towards responsible AI development. With this release, Switzerland joins countries like the UK and Germany in pursuing a public-private hybrid approach to AI. However, unlike its neighbors, Switzerland's models are completely open source, a decision that reflects the country's commitment to transparency and collaboration. Quick hits. Well, Google Cloud is launching Vertex Generative AI Studio, which aims to simplify AI model creation with an integrated development environment for engineers. Chinese delivery firm SF Express is integrating generative AI into its logistics operations, allowing customers to use AI avatars to track their shipments. Indian e-commerce giant Flipkart has launched an AI-powered fashion stylist service called Stylecraft to help users find clothes that suit their style and body type. MasterCard is partnering with AI startup Call to use AI to detect fraudulent transactions. Enterprise AI platform. Pipestream is rolling out GPT-4-powered chatbots across industries from healthcare to finance. An artificial grass manufacturer, Says Pitches, is using AI to predict the lifespan of its products and optimize maintenance plans. And that's it for this week. If you want to stay in the loop on all things AI, subscribe to our newsletter and check out our platform for the latest breaking AI news. Thanks for watching and see you next week.